Welcome to the second part. Yes, in the first part we were until here record your current location. You just have to keep in your mind that once you set the questions, you need to just click over here, save button. Just keep clicking on the save and this asterisk will disappear from there. So we were until recording the location. Now what else should we put in the demographic information? Maybe name of the interviewer. Name of the interviewer. You can just have your questions ready in the another sheet and bring those questions copying here. Name of the interviewer. Definitely this will come in the text format. Similarly, then maybe we need the name of the respondents as well. Definitely we need to keep it here. Name, probably we get it in the written text format. Then maybe we need to ask education of the respondent. Bring it here. Here we need to select one option here. For example, for me, I generally do illiterate. Put it 1 in XML value. Then simply literate, those who can simply read the text. Literate. Put 2 in the XML value, and 3 basic education. Give it 3 here. Similarly, after high school, make it 4. Then high school. Then finally university, or you can still write PhD or something like that, but in my research highest would be around university until masters. If you want more than this, then you can just click author and later you can set escape logic. So 5, it's already there. 6, 7, and for others generally I put 88. So save it. So let's look at from this preview form. It will take some time. See, acknowledgement. I is there, but just don't mind for this. Dear sir, ma'am, namaste from ... I am ... introducing. This has to be read thoroughly by the enumerator who goes to collect data. Then okay. Then the second question is, do you want to participate in the survey? Yes or no. Here we need to set skip logic later. If the respondent says they don't want to, he or she doesn't want to participate in the survey, then the enumerator just has to quit from there. But if they want to if they say that they want to take part in the survey, if they give their consent, then there you will click over here and rest of the questions will appear. Just to show you, for example, let me bring my browser here and let's see what it means to practically say this is my set of questions here. If they should know survey is done, finished, because they don't want to take part in the survey. But if they are consented, if they give their consent, then you will put them as, then rest of the questions will appear. We will set this skip logic later in the other part of the video. So you have to check your questions once you set in the editing mode, and just come back to the view mode and check your questions. For example, date of interview, we selected number option. Here it comes in the date format, year, month and date. Similarly, district, you have to write, let's say, Manang. Municipality, one of the municipality, I don't know, Manang, let's say Manang, Sano Manang, rural municipality, ward number 3, settlement, Sano Manang. Household, maybe if you are starting with just first household, you can put 1, generally they put 0, 0 and 1. And GPS, you need to get picture, just the location. You have to turn on GPS in the Android mobile phone, then this will give GPS code at the point of the enumerator's standing. Name of the interviewer, let's say Ram or Alex, whatever. Or in the respondents, Avery or Hari. And education of the respondent. Hari's education, it may be basic education until grade 8. We categorize it under basic education, and at the end, after selecting all of those, you can click on validate. If your questions are in right format or if it is answerable, then your form will be valid. You will get this sign. But if you just, let's say, don't click and try to validate, or still it's valid, but if your questions have error, then it will not show a green. It will say invalid and you need to correct. Now let's go to the question designing mode. Now after the education of the respondent, then what else should I put? Maybe gender. Bring it your questions. Gender. Select one. Male. Female. Other. Do not prefer to say. Just give them 88 free. Save it. And next question would be religion of the respondent. Here there might be, select one of Hindu, Buddhist, and Muslim or Christian. We can say others. Yeah, you can write 1, 2, 3, for and 88 it's XML values. Save it. What else? Then maybe ethnicity. We might. These informations are really important to know the characteristics of respondents. Click plus, put your question and start. Select one. Z3 1 for Z3 Brahmin Tulit Sonasati maybe you can put one option as others or other, whatever you would like. 2, 3, 4, 5, and for others 88. You can set your questions this way, and if you click in this icon, your answers questions will be either expanded or collapsed. Now it's in a collapsed form, but if you give a click here, it will just expand. Oh, here you can see all of the options, or you can even click here. You can just hide it for now, but faster would be from here, just it disappears. And maybe the next question would be respondents. Respondents age. Now this age will come in the normal format. Total members in the household including respondent. Let's bring it here, put it here, and number, definitely number of members in the household, and total male members in the household of the respondent. This will also come in the number format. Then maybe total female household members including household head. Definitely this should well be in the number format. So this way you can set your questions, and just don't forget to click on the save icon, and you can check your answer questions whether it's valid or not. You can put answers that you want in different formats. If it doesn't fit to you, or if you think that that's not possible to get, you can just change, going back to the edit mode. This way, see, we just fixed our question age of the respondent, maybe 80, then total member of the household, let's say 5, total male member of the household including household head 3, total male female members 2, and just click validate. Form is valid, it's okay to be implemented. This way our bingo project is now ready to be executed. So in our next video we'll be talking about how to collect, how to set questionnaires to get family members detail. In our third video we'll be discussing on that part. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel as well. Thank you.